Get yourself into a comfortable sitting position. And when you're sitting comfortably, you can allow your eyes to close, or they can remain open and relaxed on a spot in front of you. You could begin by bringing your attention to the top of the head, to the scalp, noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention down into the forehead, noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, then letting them go. Move your attention down to the muscles around the eyes themselves. Just noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving your attention to the inside of the head, to the center of the head, to the brain. Just noticing those sensations, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving your attention down to the jaw, the mouth, the lips, the teeth, the tongue. Just noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention down into the neck and the shoulders, noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention to the chest, to the heart, just noticing those sensations, and then letting them go. Moving the attention down the arms, to the elbows, to the hands, noticing the sensations there, and then letting them go. Moving the attention to the abdomen, to a point right behind your belly button, at the center of your being, just noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention to the low back, noticing the sensations there, whatever they are. If you notice uncomfortable sensations, you can pay kind attention to them, allowing them to be there. We have this word discomfort, but what is it really? Is it a heat? Is it a tightness? A tingling? Are there thoughts or feelings associated with these sensations? Can you notice if the sensations have a center? Can you notice if they have edges? Perhaps the sensations are not solid. Perhaps there are spaces inside the sensation where the sensation is not. And if the sensation becomes too intense, you can notice where the sensation is not. Noticing the sensation of the air moving into the tip of your nostrils as you breathe, you can always return your attention back to the breath as a way to recenter yourself, as a way to step back from sensation. And now imagine that you can breathe right into the intense sensations in the body. Imagine that you can send your breath right into those sensations to soften them, like water seeping down into soil. And then letting those sensations go. Moving the attention to the hips, to the pelvis, noticing sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention to the thighs, noticing the sensations there, and then letting them go. Moving the attention down to the knees, to the lower legs, to the calves, noticing the sensations there, whatever they are, and then letting them go. Moving the attention to the feet, to the toes, noticing the sensations there, then letting them go. Then sweeping the attention as if it were a spotlight or a flashlight through the body, from the tips of the toes to the top of the head, and from the top of the head to the tips of the toes, from the front of the body to the back, and the back to the front, from the inside to the outside, and from the outside to the inside. Then expand the attention to encompass the whole body, becoming aware of the whole body, the whole body. Then perhaps becoming aware of the sensations just a few inches in the space beyond the body, like the sensations in the space just above your head. Perhaps becoming aware of the space near the ceiling, in the corner of the room. Perhaps becoming aware of the space above the ceiling, above the building. Then beyond aware of the space of the sky, the space beyond that. Finally, just noticing any pleasant sensations, sensations of calm, centeredness, or some other positive sensation. Now, taking one long minute to enjoy whatever positive experiences you have generated from this practice. When a deeper part of your mind knows that each time you practice this, it will become easier and easier to go even more deeply into the state of mindfulness. You may feel a little more comfortable, a little more centered, and a little more encouraged about the future. When you complete this practice and bring your attention back to the room.